What is the meaning of life? Why do we exist? Why are we trying to live amidst people who are meaningless, lacking understanding and empathy? In my opinion, the meaning of life is exploration. We are explorers. To have a good life, we should live this life as we deserve and enjoy it until our time runs out. We should travel the world, meet new people, and do what we love. The only thing we need to improve our quality of life is money. If we can earn a significant amount of money, we can escape the moments when we question the meaning of life and live the life we dream of. But how can we do that? How can we earn incomes far beyond our monthly salary? By seizing opportunities, of course. Our world is changing. Every day, new artificial intelligence tools emerge. The world is becoming increasingly digital. If we can't adapt to the new world, it seems we will be among the losers. Recently, I have come across many people who try interesting methods to earn money. These methods are generally related to artificial intelligence. For example, there are people who use AI tools like ChatGPT to write books and sell them as ebooks. And there are people who created designs and logos using AI, even though they have no knowledge of design. Let me show you something I have created. I requested a visual of Tionmir singing a song, and it created it in 5 seconds. There are people who sell these designs on platforms like Etsy. Yeah, there are those who provide presentation services too. You can look how creative it is.
I am here for you. I can say whatever you want. We will make great videos together.
On this website, I asked it to dub a video in a different language, and it translated my English speaking into French within seconds. Yeah, this is wonderful. You can check out my channel for videos related to AI. In many countries, people are starting to get fired from their jobs because AI is replacing those who are resistant to change. Please don't be resistant to change. Stay updated on all innovations. If you participate in change, you can truly earn good profits. Stay informed about every new development. Follow AI tools, cryptocurrency exchanges, the latest websites, metaverse projects, and all original ideas. Do not waste your time on useless videos on social media because time is precious, and to live it in a quality manner, we need to be aware of opportunities. I follow opportunities and invest in what I consider valuable. I mostly invest in AI projects, and I do it through cryptocurrency exchanges. When investing, I prefer to participate in precise. You might not have participated in cryptocurrency exchanges yet, and you may not have any knowledge about cryptocurrency. That's not a problem. I will explain everything. Together we will learn about all the exchanges and follow precise. I love projects that combine AI with crypto and want to invest in them, but you can also participate in other precise projects. Let me show you a few examples. Let's look at metaverse projects, have original ideas and involve augmented reality. Mana is one of them. When Mana first launched, its value was 2 cents. It reached its peak in November 2021. Its value decreased when Bitcoin entered the bear season, but it is still 25 times its initial price. Even Samsung invested in this project. Let's take a look at Sandcoin. This is also a virtual world, and the price of the lands here are quite expensive. Yeah. When Sandbox first launched, it was 6 cents, and it reached $6. Now it is valued at 60 cents. Coins like Mina, Casper, and Bioeconomy sold on the Coinlist platform also brought significant profits to their investors. Currently, there is a new pre-sale on Coinlist called Arkway. If you want, you can participate until the 12th of this month. Lastly, these coins multiplied their value as much as the numbers you see on the Avalanche pre-sale platform. These coins had the potential to make their investors millionaires, and new upcoming projects can also bring great results. However, not every project will be profitable for you, like this. Especially because we are currently in the bear season of Bitcoin, the price of coins are quite low. But if you want, you can invest before the bull season of Bitcoin arrives. Please remember, I am not providing investment advice. I am simply explaining the projects and presenting them from a different perspective. AI tools, metaverse projects, and cryptocurrency exchanges are full of good ideas. Investing a good idea can truly bring significant profits. If you think the projects are good, you can make your own decision and invest in them, or you can choose not to invest. But I will keep you informed about the developments. Together we will explore new worlds and pursue all available opportunities. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.